Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. How to make money online for beginners. So make sure to watch the full video. The internet presents employees with a dream scenario, the ability to make money from anywhere, at any time. For many people though, this remains an elusive concept. After all, just 30 years ago, the internet didn't even exist. If you had a job, you went to the office. The idea you could earn a living at home in your pajamas or on a tropical beach while sipping margaritas would have been laughable to employees in the 80s. But now, it's a reality that many people are starting to pursue. 1. Become a freelancer. Freelance work is another tried and tested option for anyone wondering how to make money online for beginners. The idea is simple. You work on a self-employed basis, lending whatever skills and expertise you have to clients who need such support. While you lack the stability of a monthly paycheck, you become your own boss in a given discipline, operating outside the constraints of a full-time contract. There's no end to the possible roles you can perform online as a freelancer. From writing and marketing to graphic design and administrative support, you'll undoubtedly find a freelance position to match your talents, interests, and experience. 2. Become a consultant. Consultancy would be a good choice for people who enjoy their current role, but can't or don't want to perform it remotely. A prime example of freelancing is you'd start working for yourself in the industry, marketing your services to clients who wish to leverage your insights without hiring someone full-time. The pay does vary depending on factors, such as your level of experience and reputation. But there's no denying that consulting can be a lucrative way to earn cash online. Whether you bill by the hour or project, companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled consultants who can help them out of a bind. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Another possible freelance option is that virtual assistants do precisely what their title implies, working as an assistant online rather than in the office. While the salary is unlikely to get anywhere close to a consultant's, it's a much more accessible way to make money online. Generally speaking, you don't require specific skills or years of experience in a given discipline. If you're conscientious, good on a computer, and know your way around a spreadsheet, you could start advertising your services as a virtual assistant today. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are good places to do exactly that. These platforms enable freelancers of any kind to promote their skills to countless potential clients who use them. Gaining traction in the so-called gig economy can take time, but it remains a viable and popular option. 4. Tutoring online. Online tutoring has risen to prominence in recent years to make money online. So whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, budding students are looking for your support at this moment. Websites like Tutoring and Schooly help tutors find clients and take a commission. Classes are usually via video call, and as you'd expect, what you teach depends on your specific skill set. Language tutors are in particular demand though, with international students hoping to improve their English. If you're a proficient English speaker and acquire a qualification, such as TEFL, in teaching it, you could soon be making money online. 5. Create and sell online courses. Selling courses online doesn't just offer a means of earning an income online. Unlike the options we've discussed thus far, it provides a way to make a passive income online. In other words, you don't have to trade your time for money. The premise is simple. You compile all of the insights you've accrued on a given topic into a course that people can do on their computers. You then post it on course-sharing websites like Udemy or sell it directly through your website. However, don't expect the money to start rolling in overnight. Countless people are selling courses online already or attempting to, which makes competition fierce. 6. Write and sell eBooks. This idea of making money online for beginners follows on from the last. Another popular source of passive income, writing and selling eBooks, involves a similar set of challenges to creating and selling digital courses. But again, competition is intense, standing out from the crowd isn't easy, and success takes time. But don't let that put you off. For people with a penchant for writing, eBooks present another powerful opportunity to earn a living. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.